Viewers, this is Ramanogar Pari talking from Coimbatore. I welcome to you my YouTube channel English to English. In this video, I am going to talk about English for beginners, parts of speech. Before there are 8 parts of speech in a sentence. We can identify of speech in this speech. They are pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now, a word refers to name of a person, place, or thing. Noun, name of a person. Example, Girish Karnad is an Indian English dramatist. Amartya Sen received Nobel Prize for Economic Science. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of India. Mohan Singh is the founder of Indian Army. Lord Mountbatten was the last viceroy of British India. Now, name of a place. Delhi is the capital of India. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is the Coimbatore is Manchester of South India. Mamallapuram is located near Chennai. Tanjavur is famous for paddy. Now, name of a thing. Boys are playing hockey. Mom is preparing breakfast. Smith is writing an essay. Jogging is good for health. The carpenter is busy upon doors and window frames. Name of a thing means action, activity. Pronoun, a word used to avoid the noun repeating again is called pronoun. She was unhappy. She saw at first some jewels. They walked along towards the market. After many adventures, they succeeded. Girish Karnad is an Indian English dramatist, but initially he wanted to become a poet. Adjective. A word used to qualify a noun is called adjective. Example, he is a good singer. They live a sophisticated life. Hector is a brave soldier. Cleopatra has a surpassing beauty. Shivaji is the great warrior and king of Maratha. Verb. A verb describes to action of a subject is called verb. Example, Ravi rides bicycle. Rani finished her crying. My friend borrowed $5. She smiles. The bus conductor collected the ticket fare. Adverb. A word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, adjective, an adverb, or another adverb is called adverb. Example, already I told you. He clearly wanted brave combat. He personally needs nothing. He opened his eyes slowly. They were especially worried about the condition. Preposition. A word related to noun is called preposition. Example, she went to the market with him. He jumped upon the wall. The book is on the table. The boat sailed under the bridge. They meet at 6 p.m. Conjunction. A word which refers to connect the sentences is called conjunction. She come in the morning and gives complaint. Esther and Ria were allowed to attend the party. The red mud and clay is used for building the house. Maria brought cheese and butter. Ria returned to her old house, but she wasn't called before. Interjection. A word which has exclamatory mark expressing sudden emotion of feeling or excitement. Example, the good seafood. Aye, it's heavier now. Ha, poor child. Ha, wouldn't you like such a person? What a kind heart they must have. Thank you.